Hey guys, it's Christina Reeves. I'm one of the landscape architects out at Gasper Landscape, and I am here today on this beautiful day in North Wales, Pennsylvania. We are out at our latest featured project, and we're getting ready for a photo shoot. I got my crew and everybody ready here, and I just am so excited to show you some of the really neat details, design details, and elements that we've created for our homeowners out here. Come take a look. Welcome to the backyard. First feature I want to show you is this great cook station over here. High bar top seating here for all of your guests, so you can be chatting while you're grilling. We have a beautiful granite countertops, a really nice stone veneer surface here for the cook station. We've got a lot of great appliances here, the grill. Something that I like, it's not as fancy, but the trash can, totally convenient, totally useful. One of the best features on a hot day like this is an outdoor fridge. We've got this packed with our hoagies from Wawa for later for the crew and I, and a lot of ice cold drinks. There's some beer, but that may not be what we're going to be drinking. Instead, we got a lot of ice cold waters and sodas.
I'll take that.
This is probably one of the most important and well-used spots in this backyard. It's a great place for conversation. Everyone loves to be congregated around food, and this is where the food's at. The next feature I want to show you is this great Gasper-Built Pavilion that we added to this project. So the pool was existing, and there was no shade out here. It was super uncomfortable to sit out here when you're around the pool. With the addition of the pavilion, we really were able to create a great seating area. It provides entertainment, it provides shade, and it's really a great gathering space to hang out. One of the interesting things about this pavilion is that the fireplace is on an angle, and we did that on purpose. Like typically you would see maybe a fireplace straight on, but this one is on an angle so that we could have the best of both worlds, right? So we have a great view of the pool, and we have a great view of the fireplace and the TV over the fireplace. Eli, this is a great setting here. What did you do? I love this set.
Yeah, this one turned out pretty darn nice. We did a very high back because most of your time outside is spent lounging, not necessarily dining. So we did the high back. We did a synthetic wicker frame, and synthetic wickers always give the appearance of a casual yet comfortable yet durable look, and it just makes it a little cozy in this environment, and it'll just last for many, many years.
I love the color of these pillows.
Yeah, those pillows are pretty special. The tangerine color, they're from my friend Elaine Smith out of West Palm Beach, Florida. She does an amazing job with her pillows. They're made to be outside, exposed to the elements. If they become wet, they do dry. She just has the best performance fabrics in the industry.
They're really beautiful.
And the rug, I think the rug ties the pillows in, which is quite stunning. This is a treasure garden rug. This is very durable. You just hose it down. The best part, when you come outside like at nighttime to the fireplace and you have bare feet, your bare feet aren't on the flooring, it's on the rug. This is truly one of my favorite projects as far as this year.
You say that all the time.
But every project we do is favorite. I mean, seriously, what we do is that we go into an environment and we make it magical. Yeah. And I think that this is one of those examples.
Yeah, I agree. So one of the fun features we have out at this featured project is that on all of 4 corners of this pavilion, we have rain chains. So rain chains are a great, really more fashionable alternative to the traditional old ugly downspout. And yes, they really do work. So it's a beautiful day here. There's not a cloud in sight. But we have Joe here as our little simulated rainstorm. And so we're trying to demonstrate here basically what would happen in a storm. So if you're out here in the storm, the rain comes down and it really just fills up the cups. And basically it ends up in a drain. Sometimes you can put, like on the other area of the patios, we have it coming down into a large stone-filled pot. We we've got this great looking rain chain. They just look so much better than the traditional downspout, and they're fun and whimsical. So this one is like a traditional little copper cup. They come in pineapple shapes. They come in all sorts of designs. They're just a great design accent, and we love using them here at Gasper. So one of the best kept secrets on this featured project is a little patio that is behind the pool. So basically you come through the pool area back here and you come out into this fire pit patio. It's almost like a whole nother area of the yard. You feel like you're in a completely different yard. So it's a irregular bluestone patio. You got all that wonderful joint action, almost kind of like a puzzle going on. It's really interesting. This is a piece of art in itself. It is a steel laser cut fire pit. We're gonna have that fire pit raging a little bit later in this evening tonight. Now, this time of year, we haven't had a lot of rain, so the grass is a little bit crispy, but you still have an amazing view of the back of the property. And it really feels, it's connected to the pool area, but it's separate at the same time. You actually can still hear the babbling of the water, so it's really relaxing, but it's really its own separate, unique space. And can't wait to sit out here later around the fire. Eli, I love these chairs. Tell me why you chose them.
These are our traditional Adirondack chairs. The traditional Adirondack chairs, you can tell by the scallop back, just the configuration that it is. This is a polymer material made to be exposed to the elements, basically milk jugs, that type of material. You can leave this out all winter long, all summer long. Doesn't require a cushion to be comfortable. Very safe for the environment. You're basically using plastics and things like that, and it's remade into a very durable Adirondack chair.
So this one looks like it's almost like a traditional teak color, like a weathered wood.
Well, that's exactly what it's called. It's called weatherwood. It comes in natural wood tones as well.
Yeah.
Then, of course, all your primary colors, reds, blacks, blues, greens, and so on and so forth. This one I chose because I didn't want anything that really popped out here. I was just something to sort of blend in. This is a magical area and like a secret garden overlooking the beautiful backyard here.
I can't wait till we have this fire later tonight.
Yes, I wish we
Awesome.
brought some marshmallows.
Oh, that would, we totally forgot the marshmallows. That sucks. All right, that wraps up our tour here today. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching.